have liked my last video, but today I am bringing you a great companion in the form of housekeeper to your house. And before introducing that, I have a question for you in my mind. Where have you seen balls? Think about it, but I will tell you the answer now. You might have seen balls while playing cricket or many other games like golf, football, hockey. But have you seen a ball controlling your house like a housekeeper? I think you have not ever seen this. But Samsung in this new era of artificial intelligence have made it possible with the new great companion to your house, the new, uniquest and the greatest Samsung Volley. It's a housekeeper without any housekeeper. It has sensors covered on all of its body, but Samsung also has a surprise for you, for your house and many other things. So see this full video and I will tell you the surprise by Samsung, and you will get imagined for this great feature in this new Samsung Volley. So let's start. Samsung and Sony have told us the future, what would it be, and it would be the greatest. I'm very excited to see. They have stepped into the new future, the new finding for your homes and many other things. Like Sony bringing a robotic dog and the new Samsung bringing you just a housekeeper in the form of a ball, a robotic ball. So today I will tell you that its appearance, the Samsung Volley. Your Samsung has given a surprise that I will also tell you. Also, I will tell you its features, prices and many other things. But at last I have also a bad news for you. Let's first talk about its appearance. So, I was telling you the appearance. The new Samsung Volley comes with a great textured rubber appearance on its body with very great costly things on it that Samsung has put. I have a question. How many sensors would it have? Guess it. No, it's about 25 infrared sensors on it that helps it to move and many other things. It also has 10 cameras of 12 megapixel to click your favorite shots at home. That's a great step by Samsung. Samsung is getting ahead in future, and that's a very great thing. I'm very excited to see the new future in its now, and that Samsung has got ahead in it. It's very great. So the new Samsung Volley is made up of aluminium alloy steel in it, and also has very great inside programming done with artificial intelligence that helps it move. It moves like a baby that crawls. It's just like same a baby crawls. Babies would also love it. Ball crawling behind them, and that's great. So that's the Samsung surprise for you. Samsung tells that this ball matches the unique geometry of your house. It recognizes you. It calls you with names. That's great. Samsung has put with great artificial intelligence in this new Samsung Volley with new grouped. How Samsung would have programmed it. That's a very how to imagine it. That it speaks you, calls you with names. It recognizes you and also maps the unique geometry of your house. So this was the surprise for you in this, and that Samsung has brought. And I'm going to tell you in the end, it's bad news for it, but let's talk about its features. The new Samsung Volley crawls just like a baby crawls. Your dog would love it, your baby would love it, following you, and many other great things that Samsung has put in this great Volley, or a housekeeper for your great house. So here's a bad news for all of who have loved this. just a concept. When I was in US in the CDS, I was just shocked that it was just a concept. But Samsung has shown us the future, that it's how robots will control your house, and that's a great thing, but it's just a concept. That's a very flaw in this also. So that's for it in this Samsung body. Wait guys, don't switch off the video. I have a great surprise for you. I am doing a giveaway for when I will reach 1500 subscribers, and you will get the newest and the greatest iPad Pro. So here's the new giveaway. To enter the giveaway, first you have to subscribe to the channel, comment below, and follow my Instagram account. I will link in the description, and also share my video and also tag me. So with my Instagram name @ParthKaushal18. So you will automatically enter the giveaway, and here's a chance to win the new iPad Pro 11-inch Wi-Fi 256 GB. Here's a great chance to win you. Thanks for seeing Unique Tech Talks with Parth. So catch you guys in the next one.